Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fanciers. Few weeks ago, I bought a cheap power bank from Amazon from the brand called Zinc. It is Zinc ZQ10K PC, which has a 10,000 mAh battery, dual input and dual output power bank. I bought it for 499 INR. So in this video, we will see how it is working and is it actually worth buying. Welcome to Choose Good One episode number 6. So first we start with the unboxing. This is the boxing which you get from Zinc. Inside it you have a feedback card and then we have the power bank. I bought white color and you also have the black variant. You also have micro USB cable inside it which you can also use for the data transfer. So far looking good. Now we'll see what Zinc is claiming. It's 10k mAh capacity. It doesn't mean you can charge 3000 mAh phone more than 3 times. In one Q&A, I noticed that one user clearly mentioned that it's calculated as per 3.7 volt, but when you convert into 5 volt, which is the standard mobile charging input, you will have like 7000 mAh approx value. So the brand claims 2.4 times you can charge your 3000 mAh battery phone. I personally do have my Mi A2 which approx like 3000 mAh. Here is the test result. I just fully charged the power bank and first recharge my phone is in turned on condition with no data and Wi-Fi on, but it's with dual 4G network. The starting value is 6% and the charged till 100, so approx 94%, which is approximately 2800 mAh. There will be some power loss as the device is standby with dual 4G, so it will be like 2850 ish. Second recharge the device is with 10% of juice. Both data and hotspot are on this time, so 90% is 2700 mAh like that. We'll consider it as 2900 as it did with dual network 4G data and hotspot. Third recharge the device is at 6% with dual 4G data and hotspot sometimes. The power bank is dead at 65, so 59 approx 1700 mAh. So if we total all these three, 2850 plus 2900 plus 1700, we'll get around 7450 mAh, which is higher than what the answer stated. This may be because the quality loss in Mi A2's battery, but it seems whichever brand is claiming it's not fake. Technically you can charge 3000 mAh battery device 2.4 times and 4000 mAh device 1.8 times. Now we'll see about output. Zinc claims that it provides 5 volt 2.4 ampere, which if we convert in the watts it will be 12 watts. My normal Mi A2 charger has 5 volt 2 ampere, which is 10 watts output, which charges my devices like in 45 to 60 minutes based on the usage. The power bank seems little bit faster than the adapter, so I think it's actually providing 12 volt output. Now we'll see about inputs. Zinc claims the device takes 5 to 6 hours to charge completely. Yes, it took 6 entire hours to change the power bank from dead state to fully charged. I used my Mi A2 10 volt adapter to charge the device. Now we will see the features of it. It has dual input port like micro USB and type C, so this is cool as some people will have micro USB and some people will have type C. It has two outputs. Yes, you can charge two devices simultaneously. It has auto cut and overcharging protection. If I put the device in charge before sleeping. Next day morning, if the device is fully charged, it will automatically turn off the power bank. You can charge the power bank while your phone charging. It's good not to use it. It may overheat the adapter. You have a LED indicator which tells the battery status, but we can't entirely believe it. It may increase, decrease. So having the cycle in the mind will help you to judge the battery, how much it has left. The good part is some people bought this power bank for 299 in sale. So if you are looking for a power bank but you have a time and you can wait for some sales. Well, what is the conclusion? For 499 it doesn't feel like waste of money. It's useful and I feel I get what I paid for. But definitely you can have some better options just by increasing the budget like 700 to 900 rupees. There are Redmi, Realme and OnePlus power banks in the market. The one concept of choose good one is to test the low end or cheap products. It is cheap and whatever the brand claims, it seems to be happening, at least in my unit. So thank you for watching. We will see in next good one. Komoto.
Go, 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 go.